For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Just take a second to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, we have the Selena Halloween makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna start off with my concealer. So this is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camel Concealer in the color Medium Warm. And I'm gonna put it underneath my eye. In my forehead, my chin, and then with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend that in. Scary right now, but don't worry, we will be fixing all of this. So now I'm just gonna contour, and I'm actually gonna use my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color Truffle. And this will be a light contour just because Selena doesn't seem to have that much makeup. Put some contour in my nose. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and use the Rare Beauty foundation, and I've added it to my hand. And with the beauty blender, I'm just gonna dab whatever I've added and then onto my skin. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation to my neck. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer to brighten the under eye. So now I'm gonna use the same contour stick I used earlier, Fenty Beauty, to add some color to my eye. And just blend it in with my fingers. And I'm gonna use the Epic eyeliner from NYX to do my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use my Superhero mascara from IT Cosmetics. Bake a little bit under my eyes, and I'm using the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana. Using the little tray to pour some of the banana powder, take my brush, dip, and then just apply under the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze up. Now I'm gonna remove the baking that I did under the eyes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use the same mascara for the bottom lashes. So now I'm adding blush, and I'm gonna use the Too Hot No. 7 Sephora brand, and just all over the cheek. Now the last and most staple piece is the lipstick, and I have Ruby Woo from MAC. It's a little busted, but bear with me, it'll work. We're gonna use this brush to make the outline and then fill it all in. Okay, so last but not least is e.l.f. Mist and Set. Let it dry for a bit. And let me go put on my bangs. Okay, I'm back with my bangs on. Now we have the full Selena makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this look, give it a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!